In our last video, we walked through navigating to the OAAA Map Gallery on the NMCDC portal and how to access maps in the gallery. In part 2 of this microlearning tutorial, we will review how to open a map, then dive into basic map exploration and identify the key tools used to interact with a web-based map application. Let's begin on the OAAA Map Gallery page. We will select the map titled High School Graduation Rates for Black Students in New Mexico. Let's open it in a new tab. And click on the Open in Map Viewer button. Let's take a quick look at the top left side of the screen. Here we have the Home button next to the map title. So below that are two options, Details and Base Maps. Details is selected and is the panel we're currently viewing. Below Details are three buttons. Legend is selected, so let's start here. The legend view shows us what the symbols on the map mean. We see that there are two pieces of data called layers. One layer shows graduation rates for high school students of all races combined. The second shows graduation rates for Black students only. Now we can use the plus or the minus in the top left corner of the map to zoom in and out. We can also place our cursor over a circle and use the scroll wheel on the mouse if you have one to zoom in on it. So let's try both of those. And then we can zoom out. And that's using the buttons here in the left corner of the map. And then using the scroll wheel on your mouse, if you have one, we can scroll in to a circle. Here we have zoomed to street level view. When we place our cursor over the circle and press the left mouse button key, a window pops open that provides more detail about the Black student graduates at this school. We see that the Black students at Alamogordo High School have a 76.7 graduation rate as of 2019. Now we can scroll to the bottom of this window to view more information, as we can do here. And then we can click the X to close the window. Now we can click on any of the other circles on the map and repeat this process. The pop-up window will still appear regardless of how close you're zoomed in or out. So now let's zoom back out to the state level view. Now let's take another look at the side panel on the left side of the page. We want to focus on the three buttons About, Content, and Legend. Let's select Content. We see two layers again, but this time as a viewable list with checkboxes. So these are the same two layers that we'd seen before in the legend. These boxes can be checked or unchecked with one click. This modifies what is visible on our map. Let's uncheck the first layer, high school graduation rates for all races and ethnicities. Now we only see the information of the layer that shows high school graduation rates for Black students only. So it gives us a completely different view. Multiple layers can be viewed in different combinations or one at a time, depending on what pieces of data you may want to see together. This concludes part 2 of OAAA's navigation of the OAAA Map Gallery microlearning tutorial on exploring a map within our gallery. Thank you.